Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. 3-bedroom 2-bath home on 0.85 acres. Semi-private setting close to all types of amenities including schools, shopping, restaurants and interstate. Large eat-in kitchen, office and large laundry room. Master bedroom with walk-in closet and private bath. 2-year-old above-ground pool. Outbuilding or workshop. New heat pump installed July 9, 2021. New roof installed February 18, 2016. 30-amp camper hookup. Fenced backyard with dog kennel and large deck.